Let's start off with what's the newest thing in Silicon Valley right now?
I think there's this startup called Perplexity, Perplexity, Perplexity.ai. It is surprisingly good. It is started by an Indian guy called Arvind. It just got funded around $75 million by Jeff Bezos and his team, and it is surprisingly good. For example, let's see what this is a new search engine. They're trying to compete with Google. Let's ask it what it knows about Saurabh Mukherjee. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen. Yes, I'm going to share my screen, and I'm going to ask Perplexity what it knows about our guest today. So I'm going to go to.
Are you able to zoom into some parts of the screen?
Let me make my window smaller. Is that better?
Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
can see it.
So here's what the AI is telling us about our guest on the show today. Uh,
Okay.
we call him Saurabh Da because Da is a favorite term for us Bengalis. There are two Bengalis on the show here today. So he's a prominent figure at IIM Bangalore. Teaches postgraduate and doctoral level courses. Received several awards, various leadership positions. His expertise is in organizational design, and he has worked at IBM and Oracle. It's not mentioning BCG, which we'll have to give it some feedback that he should have mentioned that Saurabh Da has also worked at BCG. He's the chairperson of Decision Science and I'm the chair of excellence. Holds a
That
BTech
was a
from IIT
that's a
Kharagpur.
mistake. Chairperson
That's
of
a
decision
mistake.
science is a mistake.
Okay,
कुछ नहीं है वो
okay.
I don't know how it
वो
picked
जिसको
up.
बोलते हैं ना मतलब it is artificial intelligence.
And
Rest of the stuff it has got right.
yeah, it did not mention that you are the alumni chairperson. So
Huh.
I think that's something critical
Yeah, no,
that it
there's a
missed.
lot of stuff
So
which it had missed out also, but at least whatever
yes,
it has picked up, there's one mistake. Otherwise, it's nice.
yes, yes. Let's ask
So
us.
Vix, how is this better than Google or ChatGPT or whatever else?
Sure, sure. So, so this is doing something very interesting. What it is doing is it is using an LLM, asking the LLM, tell me where can I find information about Saurabh Mukherjee, and LLM told it that you can find information about Saurabh Mukherjee on these 4 5 places. And once it gets these sources, then it is summarizing them for us. So the goal of Perplexity is that anything that it gives you will be cited. So it got chairperson of decision sciences wrong. I'll talk to Arvind today and I'll ask him what happened here. But it should have gotten it right because it's saying that it's getting this information from these sources. So one of the sources is telling it something wrong, or maybe there's a bug in the code. But
So that's either the IMB site or LinkedIn or something like that.
yes. So what they're saying is that when you go to ChatGPT and when you search for something, uh, the the response that you get is not cited, but here the responses that you get are cited. So that's the key difference. I'm really surprised with the speed of it. I I like Perplexity.ai, and I think this is the buzz in the town at least this week. So your
I'm
work.
probably about to put my own head in the guillotine, but I'm curious. मेरे बारे में क्या कहता है ये?
Okay, let's do that. What do you know about?
Uh,
Uh, and I think it got a lot of it right that you hold an MBA from London Business School, Masters in Management from IIM. It does get this wrong because IIMs, they don't give out my master's degree. At least they did not used to. They used to give
Mhm.
नहीं
out
मास्टर्स
PGPs.
मास्टर्स it's not saying degree. बिल्कुल नहीं बोला degree.
I said masters in management. It didn't
This
say
master
PGP.
Because the classification by Financial Times for IMB's PGP is Masters in Management, so that way it is correct.
Okay, okay,
So I'll
nice.
tell you this based on my profile. I think it's just putting in phrases my LinkedIn profile.
Sure.
So that's the cited part that Vic was talking about, right? That it's summarizing from the cited sources.
Yeah. उसके उसके बीच में थोड़े से verbs और adjectives डाल दिए हैं.
Hmm. तो उसको
So
इंटरप्रेट
what's
Yeah.
the
करके
value add? Value add क्या है? Where's the AI? Where's the
Okay. Let's ask. What is the value? What is the value add by Perplexity over LLM like geometry? So at least I'm a relatively new user to Perplexity, uh, but what it is at least what the media is saying is that the value add is that it gives you back citations in its responses,
Okay.
and uh, I can actually uh, open chat.openai and we can do a search on chat.openai, ask it about Saurabh Mukherjee and Manish Miglani, and and we'll see what it says. Hold on, give me 1 second. Let me
the
do that.
Vix just click on the rewrite. What will it rewrite this as?
Okay.
Here next to share.
Okay. So it's telling us. So it tells us, it asks us like which of the models that you want to use in the background. We can use GPT-4, Claude, experimental. Let's continue with Google. Okay, I got it.